been asked to review this by quite a few people I was tagged by. It is the Soul Body, which is part of ColourPop. It's their sister brand. Face and Body Bronzing Balm. Not only are they saying that it is amazing for mature skin because it's like a cream, it's a balm, but it's just amazing for everybody. They're also comparing it to Chanel's bronzer, cream bronzer, I guess. I don't own any Chanel bronzers, so I can only just review what I have. Let me see. The shade I got is light, and this is what it looks like. Looks pretty dark. There's a little cover on it. That's what that shine was. Oh, sugar. Oh, here it goes. Okay, so this is what it looks like. Oh, it smells so good. It smells like coconut. All right, so I'm gonna use it. Let's see how it works. I hear that it is amazing, and I finally got my hands on some. I'm gonna use a brush though. Let me see. I think I'll use an angled brush. Let me just make sure this one's cleaned off. I know I gotta clean my brushes. All right, so let's give this a try. I'm just getting it all over that. There we go. And I'll start up here just in case, because I don't know how pigmented it is. Oh, I'm liking the color so far. And it's quite pigmented. Ooh, it blends like a dream. Ooh, wow. All right, I'm gonna go and put the rest of my makeup on, and we'll see how it comes out. So far, I'm liking it. Look at that. I know it's got to be blended in better, but look at that. I love the shade of it. All right, I'll be back. Okay, so you can't tell me nothing. I look so fucking beautiful, or at least I feel it. Wow. You know what? This is my new shit. I wish I had listened sooner. Oh my God, I just love this. I just realized I probably need to blend that in a little bit better, but yeah. Try it out. Let me know what you guys think. I know I'm being silly. Let me know what you guys think. Did you get this? Have you gotten it? Have you tried it? I freaking love it. Hope that helps you guys. Thanks for tagging me.